Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Patiala location. It is from Punjab. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for Channel Management Officer in TTDC Express Limited. If you see the skills required for this job role, like the candidates should have skills in these ones like channel or franchise management skills, sales skills, customer handling, training and development, and new franchise acquisition, and the candidate should be target oriented. These are some skills required for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for assistant manager L&D, and it is from Tenico. And if we see the required skills like conduct internal satisfaction surveys, and the candidates are responsible for DOGO training of all new employees, and MRM data to be prepared every quarter. These are some skills required. And if you see the experience required, like excellent in Microsoft Excel and PowerPoint, and excellent in analytical skills, and good communication and interpersonal relationship skills, and the candidate should be strategic and creative approach. These are some experience and skills required for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description. Next one, there is a job opening for quality audit in Manipal Health Enterprises Private Limited. And if you go through the job responsibilities, like ensure successful completion of internal audits, cross audits and corporate audits, and timely closure of all the identified deficiencies for the same, and ensure timely collection and submission of quality indicators data, and ensure correctness for the same, and ensure that quality improvement projects, mock drills and committee meetings are carried out, and developing SOPs, manuals, policies and procedures for the departments, as well as document control of forms and formats, and identification of documentation requirement and prepare the same within 15 days of identification, and ensure implementation of quality standards across the unit in coordination with the unit leadership skills, and to coordinate with NABH Secretariat for all accreditation process. These are some job responsibilities. And if you see the education required, like any graduate plus MHE, and experience will be 2 years plus experience is required. And here one note is also given, like it is no work from home and 6 days work week. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by sharing your resume to the given mail ID provided here with the subject line that is CV Quality Patiala. Next one, there is a job opening for Agency Development Manager in Exide Life Insurance. Coming to the personal attributes competencies, like the candidates should have strong leadership qualities and ability to mentor team of FCs and advisors, and applicant must be excellent at selling skills and social networking skills, and the candidate should be well conversant in the local language and must have excellent communication skills. These are some skills required for this job role. And coming to the criteria, applicant must have stayed in the same location or vicinity for more than 2 years, and if you see the educational qualifications like any graduation, and 2 to 8 years of work experience is required. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for Area Manager Digital Product Finance Growth, and it is from Bajaj Finserv. If you see the job duties and key responsibilities, like the candidate should engage with channel partners to build and strengthen relationship, build distribution for digital finance business, and distribution mapping for digital finance business, recruit sales managers, hire, train and motivate them to achieve business targets, and allocate the assigned targets to team of sales managers, review the progress on sales achievement and implementation corrective strategy to achieve business targets, and drive promotions with retailers, manage acquisition cost for business and ensure sustained business growth and drive portfolio quality and manage the productivity. These are some job duties and key responsibilities. And if you see the required qualifications and experience, like the candidate should have MBA with 4 to 5 years of work experience, or the graduate with an experience up to 6 years. And the candidate should have ability to develop and nurture relationships with channel partners, and prior experience in distribution and channel management would be desirable. And the candidate should have ability to lead a team, and strong communicational skills and proficient in MS Office. These are some qualifications and experience required. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for customer manager, and it is from Bajaj Finserv. If you see the qualifications and experience required, like the candidate should be a graduate or postgraduate with 5 to 6 years of work experience, prior experience in managing a product role, and exposure to banks or NBFC and would be an added advantage for this job role. And the candidate should have good communication skills along with strong presentation skills, healthy interpersonal skills, and should be a team player, and exceptionally high motivational levels, and need to be self-starter. These are some required qualifications and experience for this job role. Next one, there is a job opening for video specialist in Punjab Kesari. And if you see the responsibilities for this job role, like the candidate should create video content for multiple platform use and distribution, including online and social media channels like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, IGTV, and Facebook stories and Instagram stories. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for engineer in Teneco. And if you see the job description, like to manage planning and operations in the respective lines and line balancing, and ensuring production targets are being maintained in their respective lines, and to ensure quality of parts and maintain quality targets and key member of projects. This is the job description. And coming to the required skills, like the candidate should be a BTech candidate or ME, and should be able to meet production plan effectively, and knowledge of CNC programming, FANUC and Siemens, and should be enthusiastic in leading projects. These are some skills required for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for senior accountant in Capital Tool Industries. And if you see the job description, like looking for full-time accountant, preferably MCOM or MBA finance, having good knowledge of Tally, GST returns and income tax, etc. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.